Today is Saturday and yesterday I didn't finish my vlog because we came to the bus very late at night. It was 2 a.m. and we came to the topest where we wanted, and it was about 1.5 kilometers high on the cliff, and we met the guy. He told us a story about the bears in the woods and in the mountains, and it was quite scary thing. We stay at this spot about hour or two. I take two phones, one of each hand, and turn on the flash on full power, and we getting down very fast, basically running on the rocks. We claimed about 2 hours on that spot, and we're getting down about 20 minutes. It was crazy, interesting experience, and few more hours to get down basically into our spot where we left the car. So yeah, that's the kind of story. And today we're going to another mountain. I think we're going to west. Our plan is to get on the top of the mountain, which is about 2 kilometers high. We take a breakfast and ready to go.
When you worry, I worry. It's no hurry, 'cause we got all the time we need. If we're in love, then we'll succeed. I heard laughter, I heard music. I thought, baby, there's no way we could ever lose it. There's no way we could ever break or lose it.
Our goal is to go these paths. I think we are on the 1,500 meters high. I don't know which one is 2,000. Maybe this one or maybe this one. We have reached the top today. So far it's not the highest peak where we are. I believe higher peak is over there, or maybe there, or maybe there. Situation, because we doesn't expect that cloud came so fast and so quick, so we need to get on this mountain so quick. We need to be very careful. Actually, I don't know how much Vilas is faster than me, because it's leave earlier, a few minutes. So it's a race with time. Wow. I didn't expect that. Okay, so update for last of the new update. It was very scary, but we decided to go back and climb onto the one of the top of the hills. It was scary because clouds getting into you, and it was first time when we experienced that. I'm out of the breath. So we claimed all these paths up here.